first I must give a huge thank you and shout out to JLAB for sending this product over for me to review on the channel. What we're going to be taking a look at are the JBuds Frames. So if you do like what you see, these are $49.99 on the JLAB website. So I'm pretty interested in this cool little gadget. I've never seen it before, never used anything like it. And you know, I want to see if it sounds good. Let's do this!
Gadgets.
Let's go ahead and take a little box tour. Now this is open ear audio for your frames, and what I noticed at the top right is 8+ hours of playtime, but you will have to bring your own frames. This does not come with any frames, any glasses, so hopefully you have some. And on the bottom you see its personal sound, 16mm drivers, plus you can take calls, listen to music, and universal fit. So I have two glasses here that will try these on. Here are the specs. Speaker 16mm drivers, battery 8+ hours total, 120 mAh per unit, listening to music at 70% volume, plus the Bluetooth range goes from 5 to 30 feet. The left side displays the package contents, so this is everything that comes inside of the box. Notice that they do not have frames listed, but towards the bottom of the box you notice 2-year limited warranty plus 30-day satisfaction guaranteed. On the back there's a bit more information: sound for your glasses, respectful sound, universal fit for any style, calls and music, plus easy connection. On the right side of the package they are showing you just how universal this product is. Alrighty, now we're getting somewhere. Presentation is excellent. First thing I notice, I open it up and I see the JBuds, but I also see quick start guide slid in this little pocket over here. I will not be chucking this to the side. I'll keep it close so I know how to use the product. In the little accessory compartment, I noticed there is a nice pouch. So inside of the pouch, you will find the charging cable, which is a nice blue color, matches the company's theme. This charging cable will attach magnetically to the JBuds frames. Here is the other end of the charging cable, USB, with company branding on both sides. These were so hidden I almost forgot about this. These are the secure fit sleeves. Depending on the thinness of your frames, you may need to use these. This pouch is very well made, nicely padded, and you can go ahead and slide a pair of your glasses in there if you want. And here they are, the left and right JBuds frames, and it is pretty light even though it is a little thick. Remember, there are 16mm drivers in here. This is where you'll go ahead and use the charging cable to magnetically attach and charge the buds. You have left and right, so there is no mistaking when you go ahead and place these on your frames. And we're just taking a quick look around these JBud frames, and they look to be built pretty nicely. This is plastic material, but all in all, this looks really nice. This will be interesting to see how well they hold up after some time. I'm not sure if this has any type of water resistance. So here I am attaching the cable, and you see how easily that's attached on magnetically. Disconnecting the cable takes a little bit of effort so it won't just fall off. This is the side that you will use to slide onto your frames. Here's my first type of frame that I'll be testing out. So go ahead and make sure I'm putting the correct JBud frames on the proper side. And after putting it on here, I realized that I should probably use one of the sleeves to see if it'll stay in place. So there are different sides of this thing that you can use depending on, like I said, the thinness that you see. So if you flip it, one side is for thin and then another side is for really thin. So after I place it on and then I slide the JBuds frame onto the glasses, it doesn't move as much, so I feel that it's a bit more secure. What they recommend is that the JBuds frames be positioned to as close as the ear as possible to enhance your listening experience. Here it is all put together. Gives it a different look, but not too bad. This actually matches with the glasses. So that's the first pair of glasses that we will be testing out, and I'll go ahead and put them on for you in a little bit. Next, we're going to give it a try on a pair of sunglasses. Put it on the exact same way. The next order of business is to pair the JBud Frames with your smartphone. So what you're going to do is go ahead and turn on the JBud Frames by holding both of the buttons on both of the buds at the same time for about 5 seconds.
Hello. Ready to pair.
Select JBud Frames, hit pair, give it a second to pair, and you'll know you're connected once you see the two solid white lights. Here I'm just showing you how it looks. To go ahead and charge it, I'm just using a battery pack that I have. The cord is rather short, so this is probably your best option, or you can plug it into a computer to charge them. The next thing you want to do now is just connect them. It doesn't matter which one you choose, it'll do the same thing. There's no left or right, doesn't matter. And I'm not sure what color it's supposed to be, but it's not red, so I think these are already fully charged. Honestly, I didn't know what to expect or what kind of sound quality I was going to get from this device, and I must admit, even when you have the volume at halfway, it sounds good, and at the max, it's loud, and they also have the bass boost, and it sounds good. Call quality is clear. I can hear who I'm talking to, and they can hear me clear. They don't even know that I'm using these. I love these because I can still maintain some awareness when I'm out and about. I can stay alert, and for $50, I think you're totally getting your money's worth. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.